Good afternoon, students. In previous class we were learn about the word. Okay, what are the topics? How to insert a table in a word. Okay, inserting tables, entering data in a table, modifying table, adding a new column, adding a new row, deleting rows or column, splitting cells, merging cells, and resizing column width and row height. Okay, in today's class we will learn about formatting tables. Okay, so first you can apply a border or give shades to your table. For that you have to select one cell, then go to the design tab. Here you can see the option of borders. Click on that. Go to the borders and shading. Choose the border and click on the OK. In this way you can do the border to your table. Also you can do the shading. For that just select, place a cursor on one cell, go to the design, then click on the shading, select your color, and in this way you can do the shading also. Okay, now our next topic is mail merge. Okay, what is the use of mail merge? See, mail merge is a feature in Word that lets you quickly create multiple copies of letters, emails and other documents. Okay, so especially it's used for multiple invitation letters. Okay, where the name and the address of recipient vary but the content of the letter remains same. Suppose if you want to give the invitation for your birthday party, so the matter will be same but the address and the name of the recipient should be changed. So we can use here mail merge for that. Now we will go step by step. Look carefully. Click on the mailing. Go to the start mail merge. Then go to the step by step mail merge. Okay, this dialog box will appear. Just click on the next starting document. Okay, here click on the type a new list. Click on the create. We are creating a new list of our guest. Okay, type a name, then click on the new entry. Second name, third name. In this way you can enter the list of name which you are having. Then click on the OK button. Save this. Click on OK. If you want to edit, go to the edit recipient list or you can click on the next. Go to the address book. Now this matter will get copied to the different recipient. Go to the address book, select the name. Okay, and here is the preview from your recipient list. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. First name I wrote Kunal, second ABC, third CVD. So in this way you can find. So in first, just click on the OK button. Okay. Again, select second one, click on the OK button. Go to the address book. Third recipient, click on the OK button. Okay. Then go to the next option. Again, next. So in this way you can merge your document. Then here merge records all we have to do the merge, then select OK. So in this way we can do the mail merging. So in today's class our chapter number 3 is finished. In next class we will see the next portion. Please see your video carefully and go the step by step, follow the steps carefully and do practice at home.